Welcome to our new gardening series, all about peppers. Whether you prefer the sweetness of bell peppers or the fiery kick of hot peppers, growing your own peppers is a rewarding experience. Today, we'll introduce you to the world of peppers and explore the key differences between sweet and hot varieties. Sweet peppers, like bell peppers, are known for their mild, sweet flavor and crisp texture. They come in a variety of colors: green, red, yellow, and even purple. These peppers are a versatile addition to any dish, adding a burst of color and nutrition without the heat. On the other hand, hot peppers are all about the spice. Varieties like jalapeños, habaneros, and cayenne bring heat to the table thanks to the compound capsaicin. The level of heat can vary greatly between types, making hot peppers a favorite for those who love a bit or a lot of spice. When choosing peppers for your garden, consider your taste preferences and how you plan to use them. Whether you're looking for a sweet, crunchy addition to salads or a spicy kick for your favorite dishes, there's a pepper variety that's perfect for you. Peppers are a diverse and exciting addition to any garden. In the coming videos, we'll dive deeper into how to grow, care for, and harvest both sweet and hot peppers. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!